Hello, share ko lang sa inyo kung paano ako nag-withdraw sa Japan gamit yung Maribank or yung Cbank.
Withdrawal. Okay. Confirm. Saving. Please enter your PIN. Confirm. Other amount. Other amount lang tayo. 5,000. Okay. Accept with conversion. Accept without. Pag card to your card, i-sure. Hindi, dito tayo lagi sa... But accept without conversion kasi mas malaki nga pala. Ito. So, wala siyang charge, guys.